Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of my unboxing video. Today I just bought the new CamFi remote for my D850, and the reason why I bought it is because I need to remotely make multiple shots for my work. So this is the best option that I could find, the CamFi, which I can remotely control my D850 Nikon. So I'm gonna open this. This is the instruction manual. It's all in Chinese, this one. And this is the actual gadget. Let me pull this out. It's pretty simple. You basically just hook it up to your camera and then download the software, and that's pretty much it. So there's a bunch of cables here. You can hook it up to your Nikon, to your Canon, I believe. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this real quick. This one, I believe, you can attach, I think this is the way it works. You can mount this thing on it and you can just put it on your camera like this. Your hot shoot like this. Spin this around. This is what it looks like. That's pretty much it. And so what you have to do is just download the CamFi application, and then let me turn this on. Here we go. The camera. So I have the live view here. So turns the camera on, and I can do it. Let me sway this camera around so I have a different. Okay, here. So I can tap on the screen to focus. Okay, it's focused. So here I can change all the settings of the shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Let me just go to ISO 100. You can see the image turns dark, so I have to probably open up the aperture or like the change the shutter speed. Let's go to f 1.6. Should be able to see the image. Still too dark, but let me go a little slower with shutter speed, 1/30th of a second, so we should have the right setting approximately. I'm gonna focus on this. Okay, focus on this and take a shot. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna view this, browse through my images. Okay, and here we can see the image here. So we just took a raw picture, but I think this is just a preview of JPEG. But you can see, yes, I'm not sure if this is a preview or the actual raw picture, but the quality is amazing. I mean, seeing on an iPhone, like, so clear. So this is a really amazing product, the CamFi. You can just remotely take your pictures, you know, for people doing selfies and stuff. But I think for my work, because I do a lot of image compositing, and taking multiple pictures and then merging into one image. So I'm running around the room and stuff, taking a lot of pictures remotely. So this is a perfect product, the CamFi. So I'm really happy I have this. So yeah, it's I'm really excited to shoot all my new projects with this product. It's really amazing. So here we go. But there's a lot of other stuff you can, like advanced bracketing. You can change your bracketing, focus stacking, videos. Yeah, change the quality. Just whatever you can. Most of the stuff that you can do on the camera setting. I think I haven't really tried things out. There's more settings and stuff, so you can do a lot of stuff here. So, but I just need the basics to just control the camera, you know, aperture, shutter speed, and yeah, so maybe bracketing, a bunch of stuff. But they have a lot of advanced stuff which I haven't tried, but then you know, at some point I'm gonna try this out. But this is really amazing product. Can't wait to use it. All right, guys, that's it. It's pretty messy here. Oh my gosh.